What's up, guys? It's Raf in the RAFCAVE. Welcome back to another unboxing setup video. Now this here is for all the budget streamers out there that are looking for a great value in getting their microphone set up for their streams or vlogging or whatnot. Now TONOR has sent me another bundled package to show you guys. TC20. Now this is a Condenser XLR microphone bundle that includes an upgraded mic. It includes a steel retractable boom arm. It's got a metal shock filter and all the cables you need to set it up. Now with all XLR microphones, you're going to need what's called a Phantom Power boost, right? That's a little box that amplifies the XLR signal going into your PC. I made a video about that right here if you want to check out what I use. And I also did another unboxing of a condenser mic, which we can compare in this video. And we're going to compare this mic to this mic and see if there's a difference. Now, the new microphone that they added in here has a very low noise floor. It has really good high SPL meter. Also more of a natural, warmer sound tone to it, which is nice as well. You don't want to be sounding like a robot out there. You want to sound like a normal person, right? So I'm going to unbox this for you, show you what's inside. And I'm going to replace all this with this bad boy, and then we'll see how it sounds. All right, like, subscribe, share. Let's get this unboxed. All right, guys, so we're going to open this up. Looks like no black pin for you, fortunately. So remove this flap. All right. Got a couple cards. Now, this includes a 2-year warranty, which is pretty nice. That's very generous. 2-year warranty. It's free. This is going to be your instruction manual here. Basically tells you how to set up your shock arm. And what's great about this shock arm, guys, it's really sturdy. You know, made of steel. It's going to hold up to a 4-pound mic, so it's really strong. It clamps to any table surface. It's really great. It's something you don't have to drill into, right? You don't have to drill a hole just to put a little arm in there. It's got a really reinforced clamp, so it's going to be able to work really well. All right. Let's see what's inside here, baby. Let's go. All right, so the first thing we have is the retractable steel arm. Okay. Now this basically is gonna sit on your desk somewhere. Gonna retract it, move it around, get a nice position for you. Very high quality. It's gonna be great. Now this has the end right here that'll slip into a majority of microphones, big or small. This is going to be the clamp. Okay, very easy. Just unscrew this, and that'll widen the gap between the two. Now, this is nice felt rubber right here, so it won't scratch any surface here, which is nice. And it'll hold a thick table. It'll clamp on a really thick table, which is great. I like this. So you clamp it there, then you put the arm right on top, like so. It's just like this. Rotate, stretch it out, move it around to your heart's content. Very simple installation for these two guys. Now, shock arm. Nice. Got metal construction. Nice rubber bands to make sure that if you ever bump your arm or bump the mic, it's not going to cause a big thump. It's going to suspend the microphone so it'll have less vibrations from your computer desk or whatnot, so it's going to give you a cleaner sound. So this end right here will go right into the arm. Just like that. You just screw it right on here. See that? And then you can position it anywhere around your face. So I like this a lot. Very good. What's great about this is it'll fit a little bit larger microphone because it'll expand, and then it'll be able to really keep that mic from slipping and whatnot. Keep it really nice and sturdy. I like that. Now for the mic itself, got some weight to it. This is your new mic, a TONOR mic. Okay, this will be a single condenser mic going forward, so you want to speak into the logo here. Now the bottom is going to be your XLR, which I'm going to show you. We have some other accessories in here. The XLR cable is going to be about a 6-footer. And this end will go into the microphone. Right into the bottom there. And the other end will go into your Phantom Power. And then from that, go into your PC. You're going to get 4 straps for the wire. This is going to be Velcro. 4 Velcro straps. Look at this, you get a windscreen. Now windscreens are very important to get rid of the P's and the T's. You just slide that right on top of there. There you go. Keep that voice clean, right? Or they give you another option. A pop filter. Now this guy you would attach to the arm itself, and then you have a bendable arm and you just put it right in front of your face. And you speak through this into the mic. Like so. That'll clean up your voice as well. Okay? So a couple great options for you for cleaning up your sound, making it sound more professional. Alright guys, so I'm going to get this installed. And we'll compare the sound with this guy to this guy. Alright? I'll be right back. All right, guys, I got the mic set up here, and hopefully it sounds pretty good. It looks great. I love the design. It's simple, clean. Got the windscreen on it. Very professional, very great. Good stuff. Now, before I had this guy, you can kind of hear the little stuff shaking around inside it. Weird. This guy is solid. No shaking, no loose things inside of it. Very professional. Love it. All right, guys, this is a great bundle. If you're starting out, want to get good live stream quality in your voice, can't go wrong with this. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to pick yourself up this bundle and get you started on the path of good quality sound. Just make sure you get that Phantom Power, of course. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share. I'll see you in the next one. Home theater rules. Raf out. See ya.